Hey guys, it's me GTSF and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple command line rock paper scissors game with Python. So what will happen is we will give an input and computer will make a random choice and we have to see who will win. So the computer will make a random choice. So first we have to import a random module and now I'm going to do a while loop because it will continue looping until the player tells it to stop. So we'll put in while loop and get the player's choice equals to input and enter your choice, I guess. That's it. And and also I have to define a variable, a list called valid choices, and it will show what is a valid choice. So valid choice will be rock, paper, paper, and scissors. I hope I spelled scissors correctly. And we also have to put this in a while loop so that you know so that we have until the player inputs a valid choice, it keeps asking the player to enter something. So if a player's choice in valid choices, then it it can the program can continue. So it will have to break out of the while loop, else it will print pick between rock, paper, and scissors. Also, I think we should make this dot lower. Yes. Now the computer will make a random choice. So uh, com's choice equals to random dot choice method. This is a choice method in which we input a list and it will make a random choice out of it, take a random choice. Now I will make a dictionary which shows what beats what. So now we will see. Uh, so what we will do is we'll take the player choice and see. We will take the player choice as a key and see what the value is. Uh, and if the value is the same as the computer's choice, the computer has lost. Okay, now we will see. Uh, Now we'll take computer choice as key, and if the value is same as players, then player has lost. Else, if none of these words mean both have picked the same choice, and hence it is a draw. Now we will ask the player if they want to end the game. Now if I guess we will also put this in a while loop so that it asks the players again and again. If if the end of dot lower equals y, then we will also define another variable which means says ended, and we'll set it to false. Now if it is lower, if this condition is satisfied, yes, if this is satisfied, then we will set ended to true and break out of this loop. Elif end dot lower equals, and we will only break out of this loop. We won't set any value to ended. And else it means they inputted something which is not y or n. Then we will print pick between y or n. Now we will say if ended equals true, equal, if ended, I guess we could just say ended, then we will break out of this first while loop. And I think that should be it actually. Invert scissors here. It should be only scissor, right? Rock, paper, scissor here. No, it should be yes. Sorry. Rock. Wait, actually I should print out what the computer has picked. Yes, now let's test it out. Let's pick rock. Computer pick paper. We'll play again. Wait, I accidentally said yes. Sorry. Let's pick rock again. Computer played rock. Uh, Scissors. Computer also pick scissors. Uh, Paper. Okay, why is computer taking same as me? Paper. Okay, wait. Why is it picking same as me? Okay, it was just a coincidence. Okay, as you can see, it works correctly. And yes, that is going to be it for this video. See you later.